Fear and self-doubt are normal feelings that everyone experiences. They can stop us from reaching our goals or trying new things. But the good news is you can learn how to manage them and keep moving forward. First, it is important to understand what fear and self-doubt really are. Fear is a feeling that tells us something might be dangerous or difficult. Self-doubt is when we question our own abilities or decisions. Both can protect us, but sometimes they hold us back. One way to deal with fear and self-doubt is to face them slowly. Instead of avoiding what scares you, try to take small steps toward it. For example, if you fear public speaking, start by practicing in front of a mirror, then speak to a small group and slowly build confidence. Each small step helps reduce fear. Another important tip is to change your thinking. When you notice negative thoughts like "I can't do this" or "I will fail," stop and ask yourself if these thoughts are true. Often they are just worries, not facts. Replace them with positive and realistic thoughts like "I can try my best" or "mistakes help me learn." It also helps to prepare well. When you prepare for something like a test or a presentation, you feel more confident and less afraid. Make a plan, practice, and gather information. Preparation gives you control and reduces uncertainty. Talking about your fears and doubts with someone you trust can also make a big difference. Sharing your feelings helps you feel less alone, and sometimes others can give you advice or support that you did not think about. Remember to be kind to yourself. Everyone makes mistakes and faces challenges. Instead of being harsh or blaming yourself, treat yourself like a friend. Celebrate small successes and learn from failures without fear. Finally, practice mindfulness and relaxation. When fear and doubt are strong, taking deep breaths, meditating, or simply focusing on the present moment can calm your mind. This helps you think clearly and face problems more calmly. To sum up, dealing with fear and self-doubt is a process. Face your fears step by step. Change negative thoughts, prepare well, talk to others, be kind to yourself, and practice calming techniques. With time and practice, you will feel stronger and more confident. You are capable of more than you think. Keep going and don't let fear or self-doubt stop you from reaching your goals.